Hello, welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday, where we're going over a multi-part series on how to use Zoom. In this series, we're going over Zoom basics, some advanced Zoom features, and how to use Zoom to run a successful meeting or webinar. In this video, we're going to be talking about breakout rooms. What is a breakout room? A breakout room is a smaller room in your main meeting where people can go to talk about different topics, or they can be used to have small group discussions, or just have smaller, more intimate sessions for people to just talk, and while still having a main room open for people to come back to. So maybe you want to have people talk about a certain topic or hear more things about it. This would be a great use of the breakout rooms. To get started to make a breakout room, go ahead and click this breakout room button, and it's going to say how many breakout rooms do you want to make. I'm going to go ahead and make 3 for now. You can also say how many participants. You can assign your participants automatically, you can assign them manually, or you can let the participants choose where they want to go to. I'm going to go ahead and click assign manually for now. This is your breakout rooms control panel right here. You can see I have my 3 rooms, and then it's asking me I can rename a room, I can delete a room, and I can assign participants. So if I rename this room, just call it test room, then I can delete a room. It's going to ask me to delete that, so now I have 2 rooms. A couple other things to go through is if you want to change some advanced features here, you can again allow participants to choose room. If you changed your mind after you started the breakout rooms, you can allow participants to return to the main session from their breakout room at any time, or you can automatically move all assigned participants into their breakout rooms. Additionally, you can have the breakout rooms close after a set amount of time, and you can do a countdown for participants to see that the breakout rooms are going to be closing, and they have a little timer window right here. Alright, let's go back here. If you want to recreate your breakout rooms, you can click this button right here, and it's going to say how many rooms do you want to recreate. You can go and click that, and it's going to make you new rooms. If you want to add just a single room, you can click this button, and then this will open all the rooms, which we'll talk about here in a second. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and assign the users to the breakout room. You can see I added my phone here. This is my second participant. So I've added them to this breakout room. So what this means is that this person is assigned to this breakout room. And so when they'll get a notification on their computer that says, the host has invited you to join this breakout room. Do you want to join? And they can click yes or no. Then if you want to move them to a different breakout room, you can go ahead and click this move to button, and it's going to ask which one do you want to move it to. And that's how you move participants to just different rooms. Alright, let's go ahead and open up the rooms. Alright, so you now see it says all participants have been invited to their breakout rooms. So you can see Derek Blanc has not joined yet, because I now have a notification on my phone that says Derek is inviting you to join room 2, yes or no. So I'm going to go ahead and click join. And you can now see that my name has changed from not joined to joined as I'm in that breakout room. Now, another cool feature about this is if you want to broadcast a message to everyone, you can click this and type your message, and everyone in those breakout rooms is going to see that message. Maybe you want to tell them a topic, or tell them that they have 5 minutes left in their room. That's a good way to do this. Additionally, if as the host you want to join a breakout room just to see how things are going, you can hover over that room and click the join button, and then you'll be able to join and come out of those rooms as you need to. Alright, when you're ready to close rooms, go ahead and click this close all rooms button, and it's going to say all breakout rooms will close, and then it gives you a timer for that. Once all the breakout rooms are closed, you'll no longer have the rooms open, and then if you want to recreate them, you can just go ahead and do that by clicking this button again. That's going to be it for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this helpful, you can check out my other videos for other great tips and tricks on how to use Zoom.